In this video, I will show you how to make pita bread. First of all, you need a cup of warm water. Add a teaspoon of dry yeast. Add 1 spoon of sugar and mix together with the yeast. Add 300 grams of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the water mixture slowly to the flour. Mix. If it's too dry, add the remaining water. Sprinkle some flour on your board and place your dough. Sprinkle with some flour. Knead your dough and pull from the outside in. Add a bit of oil to your bowl to avoid the dough from sticking. Add the dough and cover with a plastic. Leave to rise for about 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After the dough has risen, sprinkle flour on the board and put your dough. Knead it to take out the air. Form into a rectangular roll and cut into how many pitas you want to make. Now, if the dough sticks to your fingers, add a little bit of flour and shape by pulling with your thumbs from the top down by the sides to the bottom. Place on the board and do the rest. Sprinkle some flour and roll each into a circular shape. Cover with plastic and leave them for 10 minutes. Place on a baking tray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes each side, or until they puff up slightly. Bear in mind, you can also use a stovetop instead of an oven. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have a request, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Great.